We can cut that part out if you want.
Ooga, 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 ooga. Ooga! Ooga! Turkey, turkey, turkey.
Turkey, 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 turkey.
Mahamaji.
Turkey, turkey, turkey.
Mahamaji.
Durka, 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 durka,
Durka, durka,
durka,
and then a durka,
durka,
Dark.
durka, turkey,
Turkey, turkey, and then turkey.
turkey, 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 turkey,
Dark, dark.
turkey, 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 turkey.
Muhammad Jihad!
Muhammad Jihad. No, 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 Muhammad Jihad. No. Durka, 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 durka. Durka, 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 durka.
Time for the interview.
Alright then. Where is it? Burn that cigarette there.
Fuck! Yeah.
Here's cigarettes burn at 850
Cut!
degrees Fahrenheit. What?
Really now?
Excuse me. So, anyway, what's your name, sir, ma'am, any of that kind,
Fuck!
bitch?
Kelly.
Kelly? That's a pretty name.
Shit!
Say hi to Kelly, guys. Hey, hi Kelly. Alright,
Hi, Kelly.
hey Kelly. Alright. So, are you seeing anyone at this particular moment?
Yes!
And who might that be? No!
Joe. Fuck!
Wait, how old is this Joe you speak of?
His birthday is fuck! August 20th. He'll be 20. Vagina!
Alright. Alright. And where might this person be at the moment?
Boobs! Georgia.
And for what, may I ask?
He's in the National Guard.
And what is he, training?
Poop!
Of some sort?
Yes. Basically.
Very, very interesting, very interesting. So...
Oh, fuck!
Is there any, issues you have to speak of today?
Juice! No. I think the battery's running low. Hold on.
Hold on one second.
It's still good.
Okay.
Shit popsicle!
With your foot up. This. Okay.
Sorry, I almost burned you.
Fuck! She almost burned me there with her cigarette.
Dick!
You're gonna get ashes on you. Anyway. So, how
Dick sucker for cock!
old are you? May I ask?
16.
16. And when will you be 17?
2 crunch! I mean March 20th.
So, is there any issues we'd like to speak of today?
No, but I think we should do the burping fuck video.
Burping. That's what you do best, so let's get to that.
Burping for you guys, huh? Kelly and Kirsten. Kelly and Kirsten. That's us.
Kelly and
Kirk.
Kirk. Kelly and Kirk. Kelly and Kirk.
Nigga, what's up?
She is the master of disaster, if you know what I'm saying.
That is what the fuck is up. When I want to grow up, I want to be Bob Marley.
You don't want to be, like, you don't want to smoke like that every day, because he died.
This is what happens.
Yeah. Fuck with the bitches.
Damn, my breath stank.
What? Fuck out of me. She's like, yeah. Anyway, so back to, you know.
Ready for a big one, guys? Ready?
Nice.
That is how I do, nigga.
Nice. So.
And they're real, you fucking fire fag.
They're real. Especially as I don't know how to say.
My hands are right here, right?
110% real. I mean, how do they not sound real to you? They're real.
You douche.
and uncut. Is all the shit. It's all you pussies who think that, you know, they can do all this shit and think we're just faking it. You can come up here right now and show us your shit. Show us what you got. I
love my fans. Can't say I
She
don't.
got a lot of fans, man. Girl,
Especially my fan Lee. He's
online
the coolest. He's the shit.
celebrity.
My fan Lee.
Who's like?
Some dude that's really like. He says he's my number one fan all the time.
Holy shit.
My number one fan Lee. You're the shit, man. Keep watching, man.
Yeah, dog, and get your other friends to watch because you know this is all real. And if you find people that don't think this is real, you gotta freaking set them straight, man. Oh shit,
I'm gonna jump. What the fuck is that?
No.
Peace out.
Nigga, the dude.
Sing it with me. Sing it with me. Sing it with me, Douchebag Productions.
Douchebag Productions. Off.
Peace out.
Peace, Holmes.